Hey folks, how you doing? Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. This year, join me in May for the 69th edition of the Lincoln Grand Prix for an exciting journey around the Lincolnshire countryside and the gorgeous Lincolnshire wolds. And remember, what is Lincolnshire?
Well, some may say
not flat. Good morning folks, how are we doing? Hope we're well. Welcome to another video here on my channel. I'm just keeping warm inside. It's absolutely freezing. Well, hopefully you don't have to worry about cold this year. This was taken back in October 2021, postponed by COVID. Before getting to the video and talk about the Lincoln GP some more, if you already made up your mind, go check out the link below for an exclusive 10% discount off entry to the event. But do be quick as the discount code is limited. I should also mention at this point, although I've not been paid to say only good things about the event or anything along those lines, I have been given a ticket to the event in kind, so make of that what you will. In fact, I've actually attended this event a few times over the years, and I wouldn't put my name to anything I didn't believe in. Anyway, on to the sportif itself. As you can probably guess by the name, it's a ride around my home county of Lincolnshire. There was even a closed road section later on, I'll talk about that later as well. There are a number of distances to choose from depending on your level of fitness. Short, medium and long. And yes, you've guessed it, I've gone for the long distance. If you do the same, it's your opportunity to bag a century ride this year. At 101 miles, the route takes in a few more hills and scenery from my favourite place on earth, bed. No, of course I mean the Lincolnshire Wolds. My second home. When I'm not at work, I'm riding in the Lincolnshire Wolds. I cannot get enough riding there. It's beautiful, peaceful, quiet. Whew. There we go, arrived in Belchford. Cake everywhere. And flapjacks. Winner. Someone lined up the breakouts with a ruler this morning. Look at them. If this is your first sportive, there are a few things you should know first. Yes, there's electronic chip timing. Yes, there's mechanical support. Yes, there's great food stations at key locations. Banana or chocolate? Banana or chocolate? Either. You go for the flapjack. Food is your pretty typical fare. Cake, bananas, savoury stuffs. Moving on to the event village, let's call it that. There's no need to worry about parking if you're travelling by car, camp plan, ample space at the start. It's one big leisure centre surrounded by massive playing fields, so you have no trouble finding a place to park. And every year I've done the event, the parking has always been free as well, though on occasion I've been known to ride to the start. I should also mention there's showers and changing rooms also as well if you need them. And don't forget to grab a finisher's medal and some free hot food and drink laid on at the end. Anyway, we are getting ahead of ourselves. So yes, Lincolnshire, I may have mentioned it before on the channel at least a million times. Lincolnshire is not flat, and the Lincoln GP does have a few choice climbs from the county. But it's not overkill, so don't let the mere mention of hill put you off. We're not talking about the Yorkshire Dales here. A good chunk of the actual route is pretty benign and rolling, but there are some hills on the route that will challenge some of you. So we're getting towards the end of the ride now, and I mentioned at the beginning of this video a closed road section, and this is it. The Lincoln Grand Prix finishes at one of Simon Warren's top 100 climbs, and yes, your eyes do not deceive you, that is Cobbles. Now the climb itself isn't that long, but with an average gradient of 11% and a kicker of 20% somewhere probably on the cobbles. It's a tough climb no matter which distance you sign up for. So that's the Lincoln GP, Saturday 10th of May. And once again you can enjoy a cheeky 10% discount from checking out the link below this video. Right, that's it from me. Until next time, pedal further. Oops, wrong channel. What is Lincolnshire?
Well, some may say
not flat is the answer.
Yeah, some may say that. It isn't really. In the south of the county, it is.
Yeah, really flat.
But that presents its own problems because it's damn windy as well.
Gear change.